Take a look at this video, which shows a man breaking into this person's house, not realizing that he's been filmed.
What?
He then puts his shirt over his face, but it's too late for that now. This video actually showcases a Karen getting help from the homeowner after stealing from their house.
What? Sit down. Turn around.
This video from Spring Hill, Florida showcases an attempted vehicle theft.
Make sure your vehicles are locked. Just look at these losers. Hope this can be stopped in the future. I'm glad that the homeowner had his car locked. This could have gotten bad. Look at the criminals walk in shame. This is why you need to have a camera that can monitor your vehicles. You could have not known this happened.
In this video, the driver in the FedEx vehicle confirms an order and throws the package out the window instead of walking up to the front door with it. This video from Phoenix, Arizona shows a man walking up to this driveway, trying to pry open the door to this truck. He successfully breaks into the vehicle, but the alarm goes off and sends the thief running. This video shows one of these kitchen wardrobes making some loud noises. Video from Boston, Massachusetts shows a creepy man with bad intentions walking up to this door.
Can I help you? Hello, I can help you? Hello? How are you looking for? Hello? Hello? Hello, I can help you. I see you in the porch. I can help you. What do you want? What do you want? I can see you in the porch. What do you need it? Come to the front door.
Oh, hi. I'm all like,
Hi, what do you need?
I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for my Uber.
For your
Code.
Uber?
Yeah, Uber.
You can stay. You can stay on my porch.
Huh?
You can stay in my porch.
Why? Is there a problem? I'm just waiting on him.
It's a property. It's a private property. You can stay here. You don't live in my house.
I'm not being disruptive.
You can
or
stay
anything.
on my porch. It's private property. Please, out of my house. Out of my house. I call the police.
Thankfully, the homeowner wasn't having any of it. This person was caught on camera stealing solar lights from this homeowner's front yard. A video from Garden Grove, California shows a guy going around checking for unlocked doors at 6 in the morning.
Luckily, the homeowners had their cars locked. In the clip, the guy still has not gave up. So he checks the other cars in the street. Hope those cars are all locked. Unbelievable! Look at the guy on his way to the next car. Luckily, it seems that the other cars are locked. Wow, the guy has walked towards another driveway.
In this video, a thief gets caught by this doorbell camera, but unfortunately, the porch pirates get away in the end. This video from Lutz, Florida shows a group of 5 or 6 people going through car doors. Luckily, there was a car driving home, so the group freaked out and ran away. In this video, a mother and child were walking down the street with a white sedan that seemed to be following them. The vehicle followed their pace, and just when the mother realized what was going on, the two stopped and hid behind a car. Take a look at this creepy video of a stranger wandering around this homeowner's property for no apparent reason.
Hey! Give that back! That is my mail! Put it back right now! I don't give a f***! Put it back! I have you on tape! Get away from my house! I saw you come to my doorstep. Get away, please!
These guys were caught on camera rummaging through some cars in the middle of the night.
Yo, who is that? Somebody not there in your car. Okay. I believe keep the car door open like that. I'm running. So I didn't get the doors open. Let me call the police.
The homeowner eventually sees them and they run away. Stay tuned for our #1 pick that will shock you. A video from Los Angeles, California shows a person going around at 3:15 in the morning checking car doors.
Bowl to pull on the yard. Wow, when he noticed the car was locked, he just went to the next available car. Wow.
Thanks for watching. Stay vigilant, friends.